Hello guys, today I'll be going to be fighting bombers today, and I'll be fighting IL-10 in winter in Sturmovik, aka in Russia right now. So yeah, let's hope I can win against them. So let's start this, and we're gonna probably put it for probably 10 minutes. So let's hope we can destroy them all. So yeah. Hope you guys having a good evening or day or afternoon right now. So yeah. If you want to see me fly any aircraft and fight any aircraft, just comment down and I'll see if I could do that for you guys. And basically, before I start making my videos, I basically train before I start. So yeah, here we go. Ooh, okay, that hurts. So yeah. So yeah. Here we go. Ooh. They're all running. That's funny. Oh god. They're trying to destroy me now. So let's hope they don't destroy me. Like last time this happened a few seconds ago. Where they cut off my wings, so let's hope they don't do that again. So yeah. I thought they were going to build more bombers than these ones, but these are basically like old versions of them. Oh, okay, they almost got me there, but good news is they did not. So let's hope we can try and do it before the time goes off, because I know I'm good at doing this. So yeah. Here we go. A lot of them are going down quickly. So let's hope we can just keep destroying them. Like that. So yeah. Let's hope we can just win this without the tank going off. Like for us right now, we could probably win this. Like that guy. So yeah. I'm really having fun with this, and I never thought that I could get a lot of subscribers because of you guys. So yeah. Okay, let's destroy this guy. Basically, this guy's trying to freaking destroy me. So yeah. I'm really liking this because like I really wanted to try this game out for my first time, and this game was so cool, so I decided to play this more. So I decided to. So sorry if I'm like stuttering for a little bit, because I'm like a little nervous because I never made my own YouTube video, but I know in the future I'll probably get more newer stuff and then done. So yeah, the other things I just have to do is just destroy these bombers and then done. And yeah. So yeah. Hope if you guys like this, please subscribe and like, and put on those notifications to see the futuristic videos. So yeah. If you want to, you know, just comment down to so I can see if what planes I can fly. So hope you guys enjoy. Bye.